All right, welcome back, class. Hope you guys have been working on your Wix page assignment. It's your whole grade right here. You either do it or you fail. If you guys want, get into groups. If you guys have questions, raise your hand. Let me know. I'll come by and see you guys. Yeah, that's it. Get to work. Chop chop. All right. Anybody have any questions?
We do.
All right. Get in your groups. I'll come see you.
Okay. Come.
All right. So can you guys go ahead and show me what you guys have been working on so far?
Yes. Here we go.
So this is the Wix homepage. In order to start making your first homepage, just go ahead and click Start Now. It's going to pull up this menu that's going to allow you to type in an email address and then a password, and then this will allow you to start. Just go ahead and click in I'm a new user and then enter in all the relevant information. And then let's go ahead and do this real quick. And then this way, this is going to allow you to kind of just start jumping into getting your different things. The easiest way is just to go ahead and click My Templates. It's going to pull up a lot of different options here. There's tons of different categories for everything you need, from music to designs to events or blogs. So if you want, you can kind of go through this, see which ones you like. What we're going to do is we're going to just jump right into it to one that's already pre-made ahead of time for us. Currently, this right here is a Wix page that has been already edited for a lot of things, but a lot of the tools are the same regarding for the templates. Most of the design layout you can keep the same. There are different backgrounds that you can choose. For each thing, you just click on the tab and you can just pull up different images for different backgrounds to change it up just by clicking on it, and then it'll give you an option to see it before you submit it. And then if you wanted to keep that, you can. If not, you can change it again back to whatever you want. There's also an add button over here that'll allow you to add in text themes, imagery, galleries, different boxes, shapes as well. And they allow you to do a lot of different shapes and everything. A lot of the templates that you see here will match to the design template that you chose before. If you always wanted to, you can always start from scratch and choose your own thing. This one's a really nice tab because this one allows you to upload different images, tracks, and documents from your computer if you wanted to as well. We'll go into more depth about adding in your own documents and files into this later on. Most times, for a lot of the times when you get your first page, it'll look kind of blank. You have to change a lot of the different texts and boxes. A lot of these can be edited just by clicking into them, just like a text box from a Word document or anything like that. And you can also change up a lot of the different designs for like text settings, text style, the title of what it reads, the font if you wanted to, the sizing, bold, italic, anything you'd really want to, you can change a lot of those settings ahead of time. The greatest thing about being able to do a lot of this is because just by playing around with it a little bit, you can figure out which ones look the best and then just add in the information. Just hit preview whenever you're finished, and then you can go ahead and preview and kind of play around and see how each of the different links kind of like will load and set up for your people depending on who's going to view it as well. And then just click back to editor and it'll take you straight back. In the next segment, we'll jump into a little more depth about how the pages and everything work in this setup.
Michael has shown you a brief introduction on how to create a Wix page. I will go more into detail on how to manage pages. So from this menu, if you click on it, there you will see a Manage Menu button. This will show you all the pages that you have seen from the home page. To add a new page, you would just click Add Pages, add a new page, and the new page will pop up. This is the new page. To rename it, you could go to Page Info, click on New Page, and for these purposes, I will use Volunteer Work. Once you're done, you can just click Out. You can even hide from the menu if you don't want to use it. Or you can make this your home page. You would just click Set. Once you're finished, you can click Done. From there, this is the new page. To change the page design, you would just click here and different pages would pop up. So you could go here, here, wherever, whichever you'd like. Once you're done with that, you click out and you can even change your page background. This would be like different ones for videos if you wanted a different effect. So then choose whatever one you want. After that, you just click out and this is your new page.
For our Wix page, we decided to include a Courseworks tab. And the way we created that was by going to the navigation window here to the left, clicking on it, and editing the name by going to the three bubbles and clicking rename. Once we renamed it, we were brought to the page. After that, we went ahead and uploaded relevant courseworks. By doing that, we went ahead and double clicked it, where an upload page will come up, and clicked on Upload Docs. With this, we're able to upload any documents from our computer, but in this case, it's pulling documents from my Google Drive. You're just going to go ahead and click on the document you want, upload it, and it'll come up in our All Medias here on Wix. So once you've created, uploaded your documents onto Wix, you're just going to go ahead and click on it, apply, and it'll go ahead and show up right here. The next thing you want to do is go to the design bubble and you want to choose the appropriate thumbnail. This is important because you want to tell the employer or whoever's visiting the page what type of document they'll be viewing or downloading.
Wow, that looks great, you guys. Man, you guys are going to get straight A's in this class. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, teacher!